Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green pepper seeds, and we will begin by preparing your seeds for successful germination. Soaking your seeds in warm water for 8 to 24 hours can dramatically improve germination rates. This simple step helps to soften the hard outer shell, allowing moisture to penetrate more easily. Always consult your seed packet, as some varieties may have unique recommendations for starting. Next, choose appropriate containers for your seeds. Small seed starting trays or pots about 2 to 3 inches deep work best. Fill them with a sterile, well-draining seed starting mix, which provides the ideal environment for delicate seedlings. This light, fluffy medium prevents compaction, allowing roots to grow freely and access the necessary oxygen. Now, let's plant our pre-soaked seeds, placing each one about 1/4 of an inch deep into the prepared soil. Gently cover the seeds with a thin layer of the starting mix, then lightly pat it down to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Water thoroughly but carefully, perhaps with a spray bottle, keeping the soil consistently moist until germination occurs. For successful germination, maintain a consistent soil temperature between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, often achieved with a heating mat. Once sprouts emerge, immediately provide 12 to 16 hours of bright light each day. When your seedlings develop 2 sets of true leaves and are several inches tall, they are ready for transplanting into larger containers or your garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.